Yeah, just get a feel for it there. You can use your left hand?
I'm not sure.
I'm thinking right.
I don't want ailerons or rudder is more important.
Rudder.
There's got to be a rudder.
Right.
But
Are you right-handed?
I'm left-handed though.
Are you? Okay. Well, the important thing is just to remember to throw it flat. That's what's important.
Yeah.
If you're not comfortable, I'll throw it. Just use your rudders. You're going to have to power it up and use your rudders.
Can't because I'm left-handed.
You put it on your right hand. See what it feels like. See, all you're doing is that. That's all you're doing. Just use the power. You can do that.
Let's see if I can do it sitting down.
Yeah. Just use your throttle and use your rudder and push it off. Push it. There you go. Good job.
Alright, it works.
It works. I knew it would. You just, I didn't want you going on that aileron. It would have been bad. Because you saw when you adjusted there, came right out with that rudder. With that aileron, it would have been ugly. This is the Multiplex Blizzard.
We flew in 20-mile-an-hour wind with this.
Yeah. So we're just getting used to it. Something you can,
bitty skinny wings
and something you can fly in wind too. So that's what's nice. It does have a higher, you know, you got to come in quicker. But
I toned it down.
was it? Did you?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you tell?
Yeah. I can actually use ailerons now.
Okay.
So you're at full throttle using ailerons.
Oh, nice.
The other day I put aileron input and she went to a nasty snap roll.
Yeah.
Nasty.
It's a mover.
Now I can use ailerons. That's full throttle.
That was left.
Full throttle, just pull it really hard to the left.
Really?
Yeah. The wind did it.
You know, I bet there's a mix for that.
Look at that. Just pull it really hard at full throttle.
So there must be a mix for that. You'll have to check. See if there's a mix for throttle and what would that be? Right rudder or right aileron, whatever you want.
Yeah.
What's that?
Yeah, it really wants to pull.
Left?
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw it that time. Now at half stick, it's fine.
Yeah, she's been flying just great.
It's kind of like my striker. It used to do that.
Did it?
Yeah, I would brake hard left when you cranked it up. Color looks great, don't it?
Yeah, that's neon pink, orange, really.
Yeah, shows up.
See nothing on the top.
Shows up really good. Love that split tail too. What are you doing? Playing with it?
Yeah. Kind of responsive to the rudder. Now I can use aileron. All aileron.
Well, I'd use rudder when you want to come in for landing.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
You should give us a nice, graceful loop. This is a nice, clean one. There we go. Let go. There you go. Nice.
I just can't figure how our detail can fly inverted. Interesting. forgot one time.
You're on the wrong screen. So you probably did.
No, I didn't.
Oh, you didn't?
No, because I changed my trim and then forgot to.
Oh, I thought it said 5.5. What did you set the timer at?
Yeah, 5.5. But I didn't start it.
Right.
So, yeah.
All right, you got one, huh?
Yeah, I got the little carbon cub. It's kind of a fun little plane.
Oh, it is. It's got that A3X, I think, in it too.
It does. Like most of them now.
Yeah, like most of them.
The little guys at least.
Oh, even the big ones. Big helicopters are using those gyros. That's what that stuff is.
Melvin might have had something to do with it being so fast.
Uh-huh.
It was really windy. Comes down nice, nothing unpredictable.
Uh-huh.
Slow as you want to go, right?
Mm.
A little bit less. See the tips down there. Yeah, right here. You want
And when you turn into the breeze, it should be fine. Yeah, no less than that, it looks like.
No less than that.
Yeah.
I'll feed it every once in a while.
Mm-hmm. Well, you could just, that altitude and hold that, and as you bank to turn into land, don't slow down.
I'm not.
All right.
Fine,
And then as you turn to final, chop it and just tip it down. There you go. There you go. Yeah, and then just keep flaring it right above the ground. Keep flaring it. Keep flaring it.
I just did.
Okay.
That was it.
Yeah,
That was it.
that was it.
Okay. I flared it and then it flared too much.
Yeah. And what you want to do is just try and fly it just above the grass till it decides to come down. Oh yeah, that looks good. Don't go any slower.
I'm trying not to.
Okay, there you go.
Had to slow it.
And then just hold your nose up and that'll help it drop too. Little slower. That's why you want this though. Yeah, I gotta give this to you. I think I gotta get to work.
Alright, thanks.
Yeah. Let's see how that